Hi everyone, today I'm dressing up to cook up mini cheesecakes. This is a simple recipe and the ingredients for the recipe will be: first, for the crust we will need 150 grams of almond flour and 3 tablespoons of butter. Also, we will need 2 tablespoons of your favorite natural sweetener. Today I'm using erythritol, but you can use also any other type, stevia, monk fruit, or xylitol, whatever you are used to use. And then for the filling, for the cheese, we will use 2 eggs, the juice of 1 big lime, and the zest of the whole lime, 150 grams of mixed berries, my favorite fruits, 20 drops of stevia, 6 tablespoons of your natural sweetener, vanilla, and cream cheese. I'm using almost 450 grams of Philadelphia cheese. And I will be using cocoa for the second flavor. First, I will start by preparing the filling because I find that it's the most time consuming. So I'm going to add my cream cheese into a big bowl. Okay. And then I will add 2 eggs. I will add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then also I have the zest, the lemon zest. I will also add 6 tablespoons of my natural sweetener. And the rest I will leave for the crust. And 20 drops of stevia. I will add some vanilla. Now this is diluted vanilla. I will add about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. Now if you have concentrated vanilla extract, you're probably gonna need like a teaspoon, not more than that. And I will beat it with my electric blender. Then I will start preparing the flavors of my cheesecake. Now we'll start with cooking 150 grams of mixed berries on medium to low heat, and we'll add a little bit of stevia to it just to give it a sweet kick. And I'll keep on cooking it until it's soft. And you push it, it just squishes under the ladle. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'll put it aside to cool down while I'm preparing the other ingredients. The second flavor will be chocolate. So the chocolate flavor, I'm going to split my cheese mix to half or more, depends. If you are a chocolate fan, then you can do more chocolate. If you like the fruits, then you can do more fruits. I'm going to split them in equal halves here. Okay. Then I will add a tablespoon of pure cocoa powder. It's a heaping 1 tablespoon though. And then I'll mix it well. And I will also add to it a little bit of stevia again, just because pure cocoa powder will make it a little bit bitter. So I'm just increasing the sugar taste in it. And I will mix until well combined, and this will be the second flavor of my cheesecake. Last step, preparing the crust, and for that I will add 150 grams of almond flour, 4 or 3 tablespoons of butter. Those are 45 grams, so almost 3 tablespoons. and the remaining natural sweetener. So, and then I will start actually uh, mixing with my hands the butter with the almond flour. So here we are. So now it's well mixed. And I will leave it to rest for a few minutes. Then we'll start assembling all the ingredients. I will start assembling all the ingredients, starting with the crust. So I have here parchment baking cups and a cupcake baking sheet. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to divide the crust on 12 portions. So approximately 10 grams for each mini cheesecake. So I just take a piece like that, and then I put it on my scale. So it's 12 grams. I'm just gonna leave it there. And then I'll squeeze it with my fingers, spread it evenly in the baking cup. I will start adding to the crust the cheese filling. This is the one that will be with fruits, so I'm gonna take a little bit and add it like that. I will put it in a preheated oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 minutes until the top becomes a little bit golden. Chocolate flavor, I just thought I might add a little bit of chocolate chips to it. So both my baking sheets are out of the oven. I put them in the fridge after they have cooled down for approximately 20 minutes to harden. So you can see that the cheese is quite hard, which is great. So here's a close-up for the cupcakes. You can see that the cheese is hard now. So let's give it a try. It's holding on. It's holding really well. It's good. Lovely. Hope you enjoy it.